Guys, so I didn't show you this video before, but hopefully it all comes in. So I was having a problem with the switch here when I first bought this bike, and well, 200sx, but I replaced the switches and they come off of a Foreman, I think, like something like that. Anyway, I have to shut the stop switch off to actually start it. And the electric start never worked on it, and so I had to rewire everything. And so what I did was I had to trick the CDI to thinking that it was in neutral so I could actually use the start. But before I did all that, or actually just like recently, I'll add the video to this because I already have it. I have it videoed. I was gonna video the whole teardown of the bike, and let me see. I'm gonna find it here. Right here. So I had to buy one of these cylinder honing tools, and worked out really good. But I didn't get on video doing the full tear down and honing it out and replacing the rings on it. But I'll show you right now what this bike used to do, and is why I stopped riding it. And I don't think I've ridden it in about 5 years. Just been sitting collecting dust, and the one night we got a snow, and I was like, I'm gonna put it back together just for that night. It smoked like you wouldn't believe. It did a couple romps around and then said, okay, forget it, I'm gonna do the top end on it. So did the top end, and you'll be able to compare what it used to look like to what it actually looks like now. We have a problem. Shut her down. A little bit of smoke happening. So we are definitely gonna have to put some rings in her. Yes. Okay guys, so we got the tank off. Yes, I need an air filter, but pantyhose works just fine. But got the vent tube off, got the tank off, got the front plastic off. That's all I should need to do. So basically it's just a matter of getting this bolt out here, this one off, get this off, get the carburetor off, or the intake. Might have to pull the airbox to give itself a little more room, right, to pull everything away. But yep, and then it's just a matter of there's 4 bolts in the tub here and 2 bolts here, exhaust manifold. So let's get all that shit off. And now that I got the neutral switch or neutral light grounded to trick the CDI, my electric start works. So I just have to turn it off. No more smoky. Yeah, it was really bad. Runs like mint though. Make sure it's out of gear. Awesome. So, I think the Osmo lost me. Hey guys, sorry about that. The Osmo lost me. But yep. So I also got a new 13-tooth sprocket and a new chain. So that's on there, but I have to wait until the chain stretches just slightly so I can put the 13-tooth sprocket on, because they say it takes a 520 80 length chain, which it doesn't. It takes a 78. So the chain is too short right now for the extra tooth on the front. So I'm gonna say within, I don't know, a few days of driving, that should break in and stretch itself, and I'll be able to put the 13 tooth on it, because the original tires that come on here are supposed to be 22 inches high, and these are only 20. So I lose a lot of my speed, and first gear is like way too low. So I like to run in second gear going through trails and stuff like that, but it's still a little too low. So that extra tooth on the front would be great. But yeah, as I said, honed it out with this, and that worked absolutely awesome. But now we can run it again and have fun. So that's cool. But yep, getting everything together now. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the new videos, and we're gonna have some fun. Oh, and I can't forget JJ. Sup, buddy? You wanna go out? Oh, big suck. Spoiled. Yeah, you going out? Good boy. Dick. So yeah, it's all fun, awesome. But yeah, actually enjoy this videoing again. So hope you guys can put up with my crap, because you know it is going to be crap. Right now I'm waiting for Canadian Tire, because I've needed a drill press for like ever. You know, I use my neighbors all the time, but I ordered one. Unfortunately, you have to pick up at the door. First, you got to wait for confirmation that you can pick it up. I'm waiting for the confirmation email, and yeah, this human malware, let's call it, thanks to Gamers Nexus. But yeah. Just got to wait for them to send me an email that I can go pick it up, so I can drill the holes for my my adapter plate. But yeah, cheers, guys. I just hope to get this thing going, because this is my favorite little toy, Daddy's little monster. And when I build this trailer, I'm going to show you how to use those water slide stickers, because I want to put some on here. Probably peel this off. Maybe I'll leave the snail on there. But yeah, I'll show you how to do water slide stickers. I think it's really cool. All right, so cheers, guys. Take her easy. We're back.